Let's be honest, you don't control your mind control you. And that's the real problem. Not your phone, not social media. You chase dopamine like a lab rat. Scroll, click, numb, repeat. You have to train your brain to fear silence and worship cheap highs. Now you're anxious, distracted, and lost. And you still think motivation will save you? Here's the brutal truth. You don't need motivation. You need a mental detox. No phone after 9 p.m. 10 minutes of silence every day. No music, no scrolling, no stimulation. And when your brain screams for it, let it scream. Let it shake. Let it suffer. That's how you start breaking the addiction. That's how you reclaim the control. Because control does not come from clam. It comes from war. A war with your own brain. Say no to what feels easy. Say no again and again until your instincts obey you. You're not weak. You're just untrained. But that changes today. So what's it gonna be? Master your mind or stay a slave forever. And if you're in your 20s and still wasting time thinking you have time, you need to watch my video, How to Ruin Your 20s Without Realizing It. It exposed 3 silent habits that are slowly destroying your future, and you won't even realize it until it's too late. So don't scroll away. Watch it now. And if this video hits something inside you, if it make you pause, think, or feel something, then do one thing for your future self. Hit like so this massage reaches someone else who needs it. Subscribe because this is just a beginning. You're not alone in this war. I will be right here with you